Hey guys, Dylan with the Random Automotive, and my 2005 Mustang has had a terrible rattle. It only happens in gear. I cannot replicate it neutral or drive. It only happens at 1500 RPM and 3000 RPM. Somebody said it might be the heat shield, but I took it to the body shop that I co-own, Winter Park Paint and Collision. Go check out their YouTube channel, link in the description. Now, we're a body shop, but I brought it up on the lift because the main owner is a mechanic and I wanted to see what he had to say. Now, I didn't have my camera with me, so it was just a quick phone video, and here's what happened.
So this is how I spend my day. Getting my car diagnosed, but to do it I need to be up in the lift. And we needed to get the gas pedal going. So for me to do that, I have to be on the lift. Hi Dan, how are you?
Close your door, dickhead.
Dan has spoken. He said close the door, dickhead. Where'd Dan go? Hi.
He's over there.
No!
And we have touchdown. Alright, so with Dan, he said he found the source of the rattle, and once the car's up in the lift, we're gonna go take a look and find out what it was.
Yep.
And for the record, I don't know what this rattle is either. This is my first time seeing it.
I want you to watch right along this pipe. Okay?
Yeah, I don't...
There's your rattle.
And the other one doesn't do that. Nope. I'd say that's the problem. So, Dan, how do we fix this problem?
Well,
Are the hangers bad?
no. This slip collar right here is bad. Remember I showed you where you could see that it slipped back? So, you can either get another band clamp to go on here, or we could take a couple welds, and hold it.
Alright, and that's the story.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure you turn that ignition on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and Twitter as well. And check out Winter Park Paint and Collision's Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter and YouTube channel as well if you have the time, because it is awesome and badass. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video.
Remember Wayne's World?
Yes.